CompTIA, the largest sort of one of the largest vendors in our space, has developed a standard for managed services to elect to hold themselves accountable. We were an early adopter.
I love how you said that, to hold themselves accountable.
Right. So nobody made us do this. We did this because we're putting our money where our mouth is. So, Mr. Customer, would you do me a favor? Send this text message to the other 4 bids. Say, do you have CompTIA Trustmark? Yes or no? And don't let them explain. Just say yes or no, because they've had opportunity to do that for the last year or 6 months or whatever. And if they all say no, then the only thing I can tell you about what's different about me is that we are self-elected to be regulated by the most vigorous standard we could find, that we can't fill in all the answers ourselves. And your other options didn't. What do you think, Mr. Customer, that has to say about how we feel about your cybersecurity?